Yes, chef. Let's begin. First, we're going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar to 1 cup of warm water. We give this a stir to get the sugar dissolved. And here, she's just let me know that we're good to start adding the yeast. With the chef's approval, we go in and add the packet of yeast. And just like the sugar, we go ahead and give that a little stir. And now we're good to let this sit and proof for a few minutes. In the meantime, we're going to begin prepping our other ingredients. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of melted butter, wow, look at our yeast already getting all activated. The chef thinks we're ready for the next step. Now, with all of our ingredients ready, we're going to add them to the mixing bowl. Once that's well combined, we're going to gradually go in and add in our remaining flour. During this, the chef explains to me why she loves this recipe by John Cannell. It's simple, forgiving, and tastes pretty good. Remember to scrape down the sides of your bowl. And once all of our flour is well combined, we go in and add a bit of salt. At this point, we up the speed on the mixer and let that run for quite a few minutes until the dough is smooth, elastic, and not so tacky to the touch. Once the dough is ready, it gets turned out into a greased bowl. We're covering the bowl with a damp cloth, and now it's time for the dough to proof. We do this by placing the bowl in a warm spot for about an hour until the dough has grown and about doubled in size. So now it's nap time. You can see the dough has been at work during the chef's nap. Now the chef's letting us know that the dough is ready to be punched down and shaped. Tonight we are having breadsticks as a side for our lasagna, and the chef is inspecting the shapes of them. She thinks they're good enough, and so now we're going to let this rest again for another 30 minutes to puff up before baking. Now they go ahead and bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for a few minutes until they're nice and golden brown. As soon as they were done baking, we brushed them down with a garlic butter, and they're ready to eat. The chef is pleased with the final results. Thank you, chef, for helping me bake this delicious bread. Thank you, John Cannell, for the recipe. And thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, consider subscribing, and until next time, goodbye.